When it comes to hosting a party or simply keeping your drinks cold on a hot day, an ice bucket is an essential accessory. But not all ice buckets are created equal, whether you're after sleek stainless steel designs, portable and insulated models, or even more extravagant options with special features. This guide will walk you through the top 5 ice buckets that balance durability, insulation, and design to keep your beverages chilled in style. Number 5, ChefCraft Hammered Champagne Bucket, 4-quart, stainless steel. About this item, hammered stainless steel makes a beautiful impact on any event. 4-quart capacity fits 1 bottle of champagne with room for ice. Knobs on side allow for easy transporting. Perfect for anything from a classy event to a romantic night in. Dishwasher safe. Number 4, Glass Ice Bucket with airtight lid, ice tongue scooper and handle. 3L ribbed beverage tub cocktail home bar accessories, wine, beer to chiller for parties, champagne drink tub cooler with hinged handles, premium quality construction, crafted from durable BPA-free and lead-free glass. Our 3-liter ice bucket features an elegant rib design and will not cause any residual flavor to your ice cubes. It is freezer safe and dishwasher safe, except the lid, making it the perfect addition to your barware essentials. The handle allows for easy transport and serving, ensuring your drinks are always served in style. Airtight lid, convenient ice tongue. Keep your ice cubes from melting quickly and free from contamination with our airtight lid, ensuring your drinks stay chilled for longer. Included in the set is also a high-quality stainless steel gold ice tongue, making it easy to add ice to your drinks with precision and style, yet without touching them. Large capacity, perfect for parties. With a 3-liter capacity, this ice bucket is perfect for hosting family and friends, and for chilling a variety of beverages, from champagne to soft drinks, making it an essential party accessory. Size, 7-inch D, 8.5 D with handle. 5.6-inch D opening, x 8.1 H without lid, 9.7 H with lid. Stylish design. The ribbed glass design adds a touch of elegance to any occasion, whether it's small gatherings or grand party events. Number 3, Tavo Stackable Ice Cream Food Tight-Fitting Silicone Lid Freezer Storage Container for Sorbet Gelato, BPA-free dishwasher safe, sweet treat tubs, pink. About this item, minimize freezer burn, keep your ice cream, gelato, or sorbet as fresh as possible with the Tavo Sweet Treat Stackable Ice Cream Containers. Silicone lid tightly seals the tub, sealing out air that leads to freezer burn. 1 6-ounce tub. Durable compact containers. These tubs are made of durable plastic with flexible silicone lids, and hold up to 1 quart of ice cream. The tight lid keeps out air and seals in flavor to protect the texture and quality of your homemade frozen sweets. Remove lid easily. Flexible silicone makes it easy to peel back the lid from frozen ice cream. Lid will not become stiff or brittle in the cold like plastic can, making it simple to access your frozen treat. Stack tubs in the freezer. Stack tubs on top of each other for compact storage, making room for more ice cream. Tub measures 4.75 inch LX 4.75 WX 5.63 D, BPA-free and dishwasher-safe plastic and silicone. Tavo, creating tools that make any home chef feel confident in the kitchen. We are committed to improving the relationship our customers have with cooking by designing products that deliver trustworthy performance and are a pleasure to use. Number 2, 3L Insulated Stainless Steel Ice Bucket with lid, scoop, tongue strainer, keeps ice frozen for cocktails parties. About this item, keep ice frozen longer, doubled wall with securing lid effectively insulate ice. The strainer separates ice cubes from melted water to keep ice cold longer. Easy TO clean, safe TO use, easy to clean, just wipe with wet cloth or sponge. It is natural BPA free. Does not dent, scratch, or rust over time. Happy purchase. All Wenig ice buckets are covered with lifetime guarantee, great for indoor and outdoor activity. Modern streamlined shape blends in your decor indoors and catch eyes outdoors. Perfect for BBQs, parties, bars, clubs, restaurants, hotels, etc. Package includes 3-liter ice bucket, scoop, tongs, lid, strainer plate, and user guide. Number 1. Yaji Insulated Ice Bucket, 4 quart/3.8 L, stainless steel, black. About this item: double wall insulated. The ice bucket is crafted with double wall technology to keep your ice frozen longer. Comes with a convenient acrylic lid sealing the temperature in for maximum insulation. Clear acrylic flip-top lid gives you maximum visibility to contents whilst keeping your ice frozen and clean. Avoids contamination of ice. Convenient and handy, includes comfortable carry handle and large stainless steel ice scoop with drip-proof holder to keep surfaces dry. Easy to clean and care for, just wash with soap and water, hand washing recommended. Large capacity ice bucket, 4 quart/3.8 liters. Perfect for wine, champagne, beer, cocktails, and large enough for any party. Perfect for parties, keeps your ice cool and clean at social gatherings whilst looking sleek and stylish indoors or outdoors.